What's up guys? In this video I'm going to show you how to make a glueless wig, how you can make a glueless braided wig. Okay, I'm going to use this cap, place it on my skull to actually know the exact measurement of my ear, which is prepping the wig cap. I've actually done this on the manicure hair, but I want to do it on my own skull to know the exact skull or to know the exact ear to ear of the cap. Now what I'm going to do is place it on my skull, then mark out the place that is in the ear side. I'm going to be using pencil to mark this. So I'm going to mark it, give it a mark. Once I've gotten my ear to ear measurement, I'm going to use a pin to secure it because I don't want, when I remove the card, I'm not going to know where I've marked. So once you mark it, use anything you think is comfortable for you or anything you feel like to give indication that this is the place you mark to avoid confusion when you remove it. I'm going to place this on the manicure head. So once I place the cap, I'm going to look for the place I've marked. I've used pin to secure, then place it at the ear side of the manicure head. I'm going to be using 13 by 4 frontal measurements for this tutorial. Now place the frontal net that you are using on the manicure head. I'm going to place my 13 by 4 on the manicure head. Place it and use a pin to secure it on the cap. So guys, what I did on the frontal is that I actually placed a pin on the place that I've marked, and I'm also going to use pencil to mark the place that I've secured. Use pencil to mark the both sides. You can also decide to give a rough sketch of place you are starting the ventilation, which is just the hairline. Just give a rough sketch, which I'm doing. This is just optional. I'm going to put the cap back on my skull to know the whole process, it is actually worth it, if it matches my ear to ear. There's a mistake I found out which I'm going to be correcting. I actually want to make sure that the other side aligns with the other side, like the both sides align the same, and the front, the left out that is at the front will be the same measurement. So I'm going to place the pin back the same place I've marked out on the cap, and I'm going to be using my marker to mark it to secure the place. Now once I'm done with this process, I'm going to remove it. After removing the cap, I marked out the place on the frontal net, and I'm going to do it at the both sides. This is the place I drew the straight line. So just draw a straight line. I'm going to do it at the both sides. From the place you have marked, just draw a straight line. Now I'm also going to mark the hairline, the front hairline, like the place I want to start, ventilation. So guys, when I ventilated, I actually followed the line I drew. So at the both side, I didn't ventilate all the front and end. This is how it looks like. This is the part I marked. I didn't actually ventilate those parts at the both side. The back of the neck, this is how it looks like, and the front, this is how it actually looks like. The next step is to sew the frontal neck together with the wig cap. This is how it looks like. This is how I sealed mine. So at the both side, I made sure that I followed the line. So I'm going to be cutting now the inner wig cap that covered the frontal neck. Once I'm done, this is how it looks like. I'm going to put it back on my manicure head, then use pin to hold it down. I'm actually going to show you how it looks like with the wig. So guys, this is how it looks like. I'm done with the wig making, and this is how it looks like. I've cut out the left out at the ear side, and this is how it looks like. Now with this is the actual measurement that is going to give you a glueless frontal, because yeah, we actually did the measurement. We did the measurements using our normal score. I did the measurement using my score. Now at the inner side, I put elastic. This is the elastic at the inner side. So the elastic, you are going to put it close to the place of the frontal net. Like the elastic band should be put on the wig cap but close to the frontal net. This is how it looks like, guys. This is a glueless frontal wig. With this method, you can wear this wig without any glue. You can actually wear it without any bond or any glue. This is how it looks like, guys. I hope you found this video helpful. If you found this video helpful, give me a thumbs up, and if you are here to subscribe to my channel to be part of this family. Yeah, it's a glueless wig. See you in my next video.